We are going to continue the How to Use series with Professor K spelling. So if you'd like some suggestions on how to use the Professor K spelling with the Robinson curriculum, then stay tuned. Hi everybody, my name is Karen. Welcome back to our channel called Our House, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you'd like to go from questions to confidence when it comes to the Robinson curriculum, I'm here to answer questions. And in this video, we're continuing the series How to Use, and we're talking about Professor K spelling. Now, this is such a great spelling program. Once I read about it, I decided I wasn't going to do anything else for spelling. This was it. It's very simple. It's broken down into word families. You can see mine has been very used and loved here. And really all you can do is just put on the board one of these word families or several of them a day and just let them look at it, let them figure out the rule on their own. Or you can read aloud, read together, let them read on their own. It's just normally one page of the rule for that family, and so they can understand why the word family is the way that it is. So you can read it, or you can just really let them look at the word list and they'll kind of figure out and see the pattern. There's also a word list for orphans and oddities too, after a word family section, words that just kind of don't fit in with that spelling rule. There's also a list for that, so you can just drill that, you can just put that on the board, work on that a day or two, and so that's it. And it's really not as thick of a book as you may think, because the last part of the book is just all the vocabulary words that are included in the Robinson curriculum. So that actually takes up a pretty big chunk of the book. So again, how to use it, the way we do it here at our house is just that. We put up a word family or two or three, depending on the length of the list. We put it on the board, we study it for a few minutes, and then I give them a test on it. Whatever words that they got wrong, they rewrite, they write 5, 10 times, however many times until they get it. And then we move on to the next word family the next day. So that's it. It's really very simple. You can find this on your CDs and also on RC Online. You can also buy it already in a book format. It is sold as a regular book. You can find that on robinsonbooks.com, and you might even find a copy here or there on Amazon or eBay. So I recommend you check it out. Basic American English Spelling by Word Families, and the author of this is Jane Orient. Now, I've done a video on her and her story and how her resources came about in the Robinson curriculum, and I will link that video in a card if you'd like to watch it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.